Okay, guys, I just handled another project, and I know you all have been curious to know what this is all about. This is a fingerprint and passcode identification system. Okay, so the goal is to open this door with my fingerprint or by pressing the passcode. So with this system, you don't need to carry your key around. There's no risk of you losing your key or something like that. Okay, so we are going to test this project together and let's see how it works. The good thing about this system is that any fingerprint that is not registered here cannot open this door. Okay, so well, let's test it. Let me bring it closer so that you can see the system well. Okay, so now we're going to open this door. As you can see, the door is locked. As you can see, the door is locked. But then we are going to open this door right now. And the first thing we are going to do is to switch on the system. So the system is on now. Welcome back. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to try a fingerprint that is not registered first. So this is the fingerprint sensor. Oh, not much. And we have 4 more trials. Okay, let me try it again. Not registered, and we have 3 more trials. Okay, so this fingerprint is registered. Let me try this. So the door is open now. The door open. Woo! Okay, so now let's wait for the door to lock back. Okay, the door is locked again. Let me close it again. So now you might be wondering what happens if we try the fingerprint for 5 times and it doesn't match. Okay, I know when I was opening the door, when I was trying a fingerprint that is not the right one, you were seeing 4 more trials, 3 more trials. So I know you would love to see what will happen when the trials has finished. So let's see. I'm going with the wrong fingerprint. Oh, 4 more trials. Okay, the wrong one. 3 more trials. Okay, the wrong one. 2 more trials. Okay. 1 more trial. Okay, then. Wow. So now it's switched to passcode. So it's going to expect you to enter your passcode now. So for you to enter this door, just to open this door with your passcode, you need to try your fingerprint 5 times. If it still doesn't match, then it will switch to passcode. Okay, so let's say I'm going to, the passcode is 6 characters. So I'm going to try a wrong passcode first. Let's see. One. That's the wrong code. And we have 2 more trials. Okay. The wrong one still. That's the wrong code. Okay, so let me go with the correct code now. The correct code is 888888. The door opened. Okay. Yeah. The door is open again. So let's just for it to lock. Okay, it's locked now. Let's close the door. Okay, so let's see. You might also be wondering, since when I was trying the passcode, you were seeing 3 more trials, 2 more trials. Let's see what will happen when the trials for the passcode has finished. We've tried the fingerprint and we don't have any trials again for the fingerprint. We can't try it again. Okay, so and we have also tried the passcode and we can't try it again after 3 trials. So let's see what happens after 3 trials of the passcode. Okay, let me go with the wrong fingerprint. That's wrong. That's still wrong. Okay. Not match. Not match. Not match. Okay, switch to passcode. Now remember our the real passcode is 88888. So let me try something else. So you don't need to press OK or anything. Once it detects 6 letters that you've typed 6 letters, it will check the passcode. Okay. So still the wrong one. This is the last trial. Wow. Scan the master print. So you might be wondering, this closing my ear actually. Okay, so this is actually not gonna stop. So, my ear. This is actually not gonna stop until you enter the master print. So now you might be wondering, what is the master print? Okay, I know you guys can hear me, right? Okay, so you might be wondering, what is the master print? Now, this house, this room has its owner. Okay, if you are adding other people's fingerprints, that means you just want to add some people's own, some people that you want to have access to this door, but you're still the master. So that is your fingerprint now is the master print. So when the fingerprint is tried 5 times and you also try the passcode 3 times, it switches to the master print. So it is only the fingerprint of the master that can open the door. Any other fingerprint, even if it is registered, cannot open the door at this state. It is only expecting the master fingerprint. Okay, so these two hands are registered. These two hands are registered, but this is the master print. I registered this as the master print. So I'm going to try this. Let's see if it can even open this door at this state. Okay, I guess you can see. Okay, wrong match. Not the master. Okay, so let me try the master. So the door is opened now. Okay, guys. Yeah, it's locked again. Okay, so you might be wondering, what if you want to like add someone else's fingerprint to this system? Maybe there is someone else you want to be able to open this door. You want to add the person's fingerprint. How will you do it? Or maybe you want to change your passcode. Maybe you've forgotten your passcode and you want to change it, or someone saw your passcode and you want to change it. Okay, so this is what you would do. First of all, I just connected my phone to the system. I just connected my phone to the system. Okay, so let's see. I want to change my passcode. Okay, so scan master print. So before you can be able to change anything in this system, remember what I said about the master print, the owner of the room, which is just one person. So before you do anything, you change anything, you have to scan the master print just to be sure that it is the owner of the room that is changing this. So this is the master print. Okay, let me use a wrong something that is not the master print. Let me see. Okay, that's a wrong match. Okay, so let me use the master print. Okay, so new passcode. I will enter my new passcode 5656. Let me use what I will not forget 41. Okay, passcode changed. So let me try the new passcode. First of all, I need to try the fingerprint 5 times, the wrong one. Okay, that's wrong. Not match. Not match. Not match. It is last trial. Not match. Okay, so the formal passcode was 888. Let me try 88888. So this is wrong now, but let me use the new passcode 5656. for one. The door just opened. And okay, it's locked now. Okay, so now I'm going to change the master print. You know, the master print was mine before, so I'm going to change it by adding has as the master print. So let's see. It's connected now. I want to change the master print. Okay. So to change the master print, I still need to scan the former master print, which is my own, just to be sure that I'm the person trying to change the master print. Okay, so let me scan. Okay, so scan, remove, scan again. Okay, finger score stored. So her finger now is the master print. So let me try doing something that needs authentication from the master. I want to change the passcode. Okay, so you see scan master print. Let me scan my finger again. So this finger is no longer the master print. Okay. Okay, it didn't process it well. Okay, so as you can see, the system accepted her finger now as the master just to be able to change the passcode. So, guys, I know you might want to know how is this door opening or closing? Is someone behind the door opening or locking the door for me? So, I'm going to show you exactly how this door works. So, this is what is actually locking the door. So, this is a solenoid lock, and this is locking the door. So, as you can see, this is out. So automatically when this is out, then this door is locked. But if I want to press this inside, then I have to control it with my program. So I'm going to on the system and then touch the fingerprint sensor. That is, try the correct fingerprint so that we'll see how this will unlock this lock. Okay, so I'm going to try the fingerprint. Let me switch on the system. Yeah, the system is on now. So let me use a registered fingerprint. So as you can see, the solenoid is, and after 10 seconds, the system will switch it on again. That is, the system will choke this out again. As you can see, so the door is now locked. So this is exactly how this is working. If I put the right fingerprint again, okay, it didn't identify it. It didn't still identify it. So as you can see, the door opened, the solenoid was unlocked, and after 10 seconds, the system will lock it again. Yeah. So that is it. This is how the system is locking and opening this door. So the good thing about this project is that I just had to put this switch because when the system is off, the door is locked. Yeah, the door is locked. I can't open it. The system is off now. Okay, but if I want to open the door, I can just switch on the system and then scan my fingerprint to open the door. It saves battery. The system doesn't even need to keep wasting from morning till night. Once I open my door, I can switch off the system again. And when I want to open with the fingerprint, I will switch on the system again just to enable the system to unlock this door and I will enter. Okay, so this doesn't have to be on like from morning till night. You can just come and switch it on and off. when you don't need it again.